What's going on, everybody? Today is a very exciting day. XDelete just released last Monday, and we're gonna give it a try for the first time today. This is my 2008 335xi 6-speed manual. We're gonna kind of see what you gotta do. I haven't done anything with it yet. The only thing you're gonna need is a KDAN cable. So this guy plugs into your USB or your AWD 2, and then an adapter for a phone. So it's just USB to micro USB, I guess. I've already downloaded it on my phone. This is an old phone, it just has to be an Android device. First thing you're gonna do is find it, wherever it went. Okay, so right here, you're gonna click on it, it's gonna pop up. I already plugged it into the car, but what you're gonna do is take it and you're gonna plug this into your car, like so. And then it's gonna pop up like that, and then you're gonna key on the ignition. So that's on, and then it'll come up. Select the car, and then all you have to do is buy the license. Haven't even bought that yet, so I'll buy that and we'll download it and test it out. All right, so we got it bought. Pop it up, let it load for a second, and it's just gonna say XDelete, or it says XDrive on off, so we'll click that. Do you want to enable or disable your XDrive system? We will disable it. It's gonna load. See how long it takes. Says, please turn off ignition, press OK. So we'll shut this off, pop the key out, press OK. Please wait. Please turn your ignition on. So now I guess we'll start the car. Just press OK to confirm, clearing fault codes. So this is available for all E-Series chassis, I believe, and they just came out with the X5 and X6 support like Friday last week. Okay, so enjoy your new rear-wheel drive car. Is that it? I think that's it. So simple as that. Now the car is rear-wheel drive. If you watched the first part of the video, which I'm assuming you did because you clicked on it, the car is clearly all-wheel drive. We'll do another test launch and we'll kind of see what happens. As you can clearly see, the car is now rear-wheel drive. It does big smoky burnouts without even a limited slip in it. The app's super simple to use, takes about 20 seconds to flash. As I said before, it supports all E-Series chassis and the X6 and X5, but not with the 8-speed, I found out. So works for all those cars, works great. Price is $150. Which isn't bad in my opinion. So I mean, it's extremely fun. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you like the video, leave a like, subscribe for more 335 content, and as well as more DIYs and E30 content. Thanks.